Hey everybody, Scott Burnett here. Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another video. Hope you're doing well today. Hope you're having a good day. All right, here we are in the garage. And I'm right here with my MYQ Smart Hub for my garage door opener. Hub's right up here. Video was right up here where I installed it, set everything up. Been a very good video, and this has been a very good piece of my smart home. So, on my phone, and I'll show you a picture of this, I'm getting a low battery alert on this one sensor right here. This thing gets used all the time, this one door does. And got it on my phone, and I got an email from MYQ saying, hey, low battery. So, we're going to change the battery out, and I'm going to show you how. So, what we have a CR2450 Cell battery. It's a lithium battery. And just so happens, this same battery that I've got in my trolling motor remote from my Minn Kota iPilot. And we're going to put it in here, and I'm going to show you how to do it real quick. So the only tool that we're going to need is a screwdriver. So these things are held on with really good Velcro, just like so. And what we're going to do, you got a little slot right here where you put the screwdriver in. We're going to pop it out. And I will link the instructions to this video. Oh, I just got a thing saying my garage door was open. So right here on the back, we got a little place here where we can push this in, and the battery will come right out. That's all you gotta do. So let me grab this other battery. There we go. And all we're gonna do, it doesn't have a spring mechanism or anything. You just push it down in there like that. Can't be any easier than that. Well, it probably could, but. So we'll go back. This is the top. This is the top of the sensor, and somewhere right here it says top right here. Line everything back up. Make sure it's good and on there. We'll take and put it right back on the Velcro. Make sure it's level. Oh, that's not level. Come on, Scott. And that's it. The battery is changed out. And what we'll do, we'll go back to the MYQ app. Oh, it just now told me it was closed. And all we're going to do, we're going to open the door. Now it says in the instructions it might take 6 times to get rid of the battery warning, but it seems to be gone already. My home kit, which I'm going to have videos on home kit, home bridge and everything to link these up to one app. But you always want to have this app as a backup. Your alert will come on the hub. Shut it back. So these things have been running, I guess, better than a year. I'll find out when I did the video on this. So there you have it. Battery replacement for the MYQ sensor. You got any comments? You got any questions? If you use this, let me know. A lot of folks have watched the video and actually purchased this. Left door was closed. This is awesome because I hate having to run over and hit the button on the wall or run downstairs and anything when I can do it right here. I'm getting lazy. But anyway, hope y'all enjoy this video. If you did, give it a like, hit that subscribe button, hit that bell to be notified. Go over to Rumble, check out my videos over there too. But anyway, that's going to be it for this evening. Hope you guys are having a great day and a great week. And until the next video, thanks for watching. Golly, if everything could just be that easy.